Part A, Question 1. Farid has been planning to own a boat valued at 14,000 ringgit, which he hopes to purchase within the next 2 years and 4 months. At present, he has 12,500 ringgit in his savings account. As he considers his financial situations, Farid is exploring 2 possible approaches to achieve his goal. Option A. Keep the 12,500 ringgit in a savings account that pays 6.5% per year, compounded semi-annually for 2 years and 4 months, and then buy the boat using only the matched savings. Option B, buy the boat now by taking a 1,500 ringgit personal loan at 4.5% per year, compounded monthly for 2 years and 4 months. He can use the boat now but will owe interest on the loan.
The question is to compare of the 2 options and explain which one will benefit Farid financially over time. For option A, we need to list out all the keywords that have been highlighted as shown. The first one is P equal to 12,500 ringgit, K which is 5% convert into decimal, N equal to 2 which is compounded semi-annually, and lastly T equal to 2 years and 4 months. Farid want to buy the boat using the matched value, which is S, using the formula S equal to P times 1 plus I to the power of N. Substitute all the keywords into the formula so you can get the matched value equal to 14,512 ringgit and 10 cents. If Farid keep the 12,500 ringgit as savings account, the matched savings value will grow until 14,512 ringgit and 10 cents, which he will benefit in an excess amount of 512 ringgit and 10 cents of his savings. For option B, the keywords that we can gain is P equal to 1,500 ringgit, K which is 4.5% convert into decimal, N equal to 12 which is compounded monthly, and lastly T equal to 2 years and 4 months. For this question, we need to find the interest to be charged, but before that, we need to find S from S equal to P times 1 plus I to the power of N. Substitute all the keywords into the formula so you can get the matched value is 1,665 ringgit and 74 cents. Next, find the interest charge by using formula I equal to S minus P, and the interest charge will be 165 ringgit and 74 cents. If Farid choose to buy the boat now by taking 1,500 ringgit personal loan, he need to pay an interest amounted to 165 ringgit and 74 cents, which will increase his liability. Thus, Farid should choose option A, which will benefit him by having an excess amount of his savings amounted to 512 ringgit and 10 cents, rather than burden himself to pay back the loan with the interest charge.
Part A, Question 2.
Rafiq has been promised a scholarship payment of 50,000 ringgit, which he will receive 3.5 years from now for his postgraduate studies. Alternatively, the university is offering him 44,000 ringgit immediately. If Rafiq chooses to take the money now, he can invest it in an account that earns 4.88% interest compounded every 4 months to fund his future postgraduate expenses. Should Rafiq accept the immediate payment and invest it, or would it be better to wait 3.5 years for 50,000 ringgit? Support your answer with relevant calculations.
In question 2, we can see that Rafiq have 2 choices, so we need to help him to make a better choice. For choice 1, he will receive 50,000 ringgit for 3.5 years from now. That means the 50,000 ringgit is the accumulated value. For choice 2, he will get 54,000 ringgit immediately and invest it with 4.88% compounded monthly every 4 months. So to make a comparison, we need to find the accumulated value for choice 2. So we're going to use S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I to the power N. And then the answer is 52,123 ringgit 47 cents. And then the final answer is, obviously, Rafiq need to accept the 44,000 ringgit immediate and invest it. But that he can have an excess amount up to 2,123 ringgit 47 cents instead of wait 3.5 years for 50,000.
Part A, Question 3.
Mr. Tan, age 40, begins saving for retirement by investing 120,000 in a retirement fund that pays 5.2% interest compounded quarterly. 5 years later, he receives a salary increment and invests an additional 80,000 in the same account. The fund continues to accumulate interest at the same rate until he turns 58.
Question 3A. Calculate the total value of Mr. Tan retirement fund when he reaches 58 years old. For this question, we use formula S equals P 1 plus I N. For this question, P is 120,000, R is 0.052, M is 4, and T is 5. After we put in all the number, and we will get the answer is RM 155,371.07. That was for 5 years. After that, Mr. Tan add additional 18,000 in his account. So the new P is 155,371.07 plus 80,000, and the R and M will be the same, and T will change to 13 because we are counting until he reach 58 years. After calculation, we will get the answer is RM for 60727.61. For question 3B, determine the total interest earned throughout the investment period. For this question, we use formula I equals S minus P. S equals to 155,371.07 minus P equals to 120000, and we will get the answer is RM 35371.07. That was for 5 years. And then S is 460727.61 and minus P equals to 235371.07, and calculate, and we will get the answer is RM 225356.54. That was for another 13 years. And total interest is 35371.07 plus 225356.54, and we will get the answer is RM 60727.61. For question C, evaluate whether Mr. Tan will have at least 500,000 in his account by age 58. Justify your conclusion with calculation. Now, from part A, the total value of Mr. Tan retirement fund at age 58 is 46727.61 cents. CHRM 46727.61 is less than 500,000. Mr. Tan will not have at least 500,000 in his account by age 58.
Part B, question 1.
Siti's father left an inheritance of 2.3 million ringgit, which was divided in the ratio of 7:3 among Siti and her sister Saira. Siti used her entire share as the down payment for a cosmetics factory worth 4.2 million ringgit. She then took a loan to cover the remaining cost of the factory. The bank charges 1.4% interest, compounded monthly, and the loan is to be repaid over a period of 35 years.
The question is, find the monthly payment. The monthly payment is R. So, we use the formula A equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus I, negative N per I. A equals to 2,590,000. 0.014 is K. 12 is the M. 35 is the T. So, R equals to 7,803.92 cents. So, for question B, calculate the interest charge. We have to use the formula I equals to Rn minus A. After we calculate, we get the answer 687,644.40 cents. So for question C, if she fails to pay the first 3 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the fourth payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. For this question, we have to use S equals to R, 1 plus IN minus 1 per I. But the N is different from the question A and B. The N is 4 because we want to find the amount he has to pay on the fourth payment. After we calculate, we get the answer S equals to 31,270.35 cents. So for the question B, immediately after paying for 30 years, she decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the settlement amount. So we use the formula A equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus I, negative N per I. But the N is different. The N is negative 60. After we calculate, we get the answer A equals to 451,968.28 cents.
Part B, question 2.
Lee Min Ho plans to travel to Cappadocia with his friends. To achieve his dream, he needs 45,000 ringgit. He can only save 550 ringgit per month in Bank Autumn, which offers 4.2% interest, compounded monthly.
Alright, so the final question is, we need to help Lee Min Ho to find how many monthly deposit. So, we're going to use S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I the power N minus 1 over I. And then we're going to substitute all the value inside the formula. And then the final answer is, Lee Min Ho need to make
72 times
monthly deposit to accumulate at least 55,000 ringgit.